In the last video, we detected all hole features in our part. But hyperMILL can also use a color table to evaluate colors from a model. For instance, blue-colored holes can be fits, or yellow-colored holes can be threads. This is a commonly used method in many industries and companies when working with neutral CAD data, like IGES or STEP files. Defining a color table is fairly simple. First we go to the CAM settings, then to the Database tab. Here we can click the color table icon to open it. Of course, you can create more than one color table, for example for different customers. Now you can see all different properties that we can define using colors. In this video we want to define threads and fits. There are two ways to define it. We can insert the color from a color register, or we can simply select a sample entity from the CAD model. Let's define a new thread color. Simply pick one yellow sample entity. Now we can choose from various thread properties like metric coarse pitch or metric fine pitch and so on. hyperMILL will use this color information, together with the detected core diameter of the entity, to define what diameter thread it is. For example, 4.2 mm entity with the yellow color, so it is an M5 thread. If your design department uses the nominal diameter for CAD design, you can also activate the nominal diameter option. We'll stick with the core diameter for now. Then we want to define colors for some fits. Same thing here, we will pick a blue sample and we already have defined a fit. You can choose from all common fit sizes, like H7, H8, H10 and so on. This should be an H7 fit. You can also put in comments, like, use a reamer. And of course we need to define a name. Next up, let's define another fit. We'll be picking a dark green sample for an H11 fit. Same thing as before. Let's fill out the name and comment field. And that's basically all we need to do. Now we can close this color table window and start the feature recognition. As already mentioned in the first feature video, the feature recognition analyzes all visible entities, so it makes sense to hide the fixture for this. We don't want to recognize all the holes in the fixturing. Now we just need to activate the Use Color Table option and we are all set. If you only want to detect features that are available in the color table, you can click the Only Color Table button. But we want to detect all other holes as well. So let's start the feature recognition. Here we go. All the features with the additional machining properties, and also all the frames have been detected. Threads of different diameters and also fits. If you want to learn more about it, always feel free to contact us. We are happy to help you.